how to recover a suspended Opera News creator account. Step 1. Understand why suspension actually happened. Opera's own guidelines state every article goes through review by both machines and human editors. A repeated violation, misleading headlines, vulgar content, low quality or plagiarized posts reduce your conduct point score, which can escalate to suspension. Knowing this matters because your appeal needs to address the specific violation, not just ask to be reinstated. Step 2. Review the Opera News of Communication Guideline. Opera explicitly points creators to this document to understand their content standard. Before appealing, go through it so you can show you understand what went wrong. Appeals that you just say please help without addressing the actual issue tend to get ignored based on pattern in Opera's own community forums. Step 3. Contact Opera app support directly. Reach out to Opera dedicated Nigeria support channel on X, Opera News Hub Nigeria support, or through the Hub dashboard, help or contact option, explaining your case clearly and professionally. Step 4. Try Opera's account at reactivation page if there is a broader account lock. If the suspension is tied to your overall Opera account access, not just a specific, Opera has an official reactivation request page at autoopera.com account request reactivation, where you enter your username or email to start the process. Step 5. Be patient and avoid repeat violation while waiting. Based on patterns from other platform appeal process, respectfully, clear communication and demonstrating you understand the policy improve your odds. But there's no guaranteed timeline, and Ops own forum show users waiting without resolution in some cases. And here are the step-by-step guide on how to recover a suspended Opera News creator account.